Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from OPPO F19. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have a spammy pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So the first one, open the settings, then look for the apps and choose app management. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name, just select it and tap on the uninstall button. Choose OK. After that, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Select the storage usage and choose the manage space. Tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I am always using Avast, so we can launch it now. In this application, after setup, just tap on the green circle and choose OK. Now add a permission to the files, go back to the app, then whole process starting automatically, and after scanning process, all of the unwanted software should be removed from your phone. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.